Okay, so I'm gone. Okay, so welcome to the video. That was an awesome start. Oh, hold on.
Oh, there it goes. That's so awesome. The woodpecker was
Oh. Found a woodpecker. Look, guys. Look, guys.
The woodpecker. Did you see it?
See, guys.
Oh,
Look, guys.
It's right over there.
That's awesome, isn't it? So, okay. That's awesome. I've never actually seen a woodpecker. Okay, so I'm gonna get closer.
Hey, woodpecker. Okay, the woodpecker don't understand me. Woodpecker is right there. I'm pointing to the woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
Woodpecker right over there.
So, this is really cool.
Yeah, and I spotted this woodpecker because I saw a crazy sound and it was a squirrel chip, like cheep. And there, I looked up in the tree and there's a woodpecker. Crazy little woodpecker. I'm holding the woodpecker.
Wait, you are?
Yeah.
I am too.
It's so fluffy. Woodpecker.
Come here.
Woodpecker comes on my hand. Woodpecker. Oh.
Come here, Woody.
Woodpecker. I'm gonna name it Woody. Woodpecker.
Okay, so this is Woody. Apparently Kylie named it, which I was going to name it Woody. So, Woody. Woody.
Come on my hand. Come on, Woody.
Woody. Come on.
Woody.
They're not a dog.
Oh, you see the woodpecker?
Guys.
That was nice.
That was awesome.
No.
Okay, let's go find a stick to see if, whoa, it lands on it. Ooh, sticker. Whoa. So, I got a sticker. A sticky. Then, I'm going to prop it up somewhere. So, oh, Kelly. You stole where I was going to plop my stick up. Okay. So, after this video, I'm going to set up.
It's just set it up now, so probably it'll get on there.
We're going to do this. And see if the woodpecker comes. So, come on, guys. So, the stick should be whoa, stick. Stick. Got it. Come, stick. Stick, come. Hold on, the stick is being a very bad stick. Yes, they do. Why is your stick listening to you then?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Stick is not cooperating.
Stick isn't cooperating.
Nope.
Okay. That's not a good idea.
Okay.
I'm good.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Oh.
So that's my stick. Gonna see if the
When I
woodpecker.
didn't squish the woodpecker, that hurt my butt.
Oh, yeah. So,
That hurt so
That-
bad.
that was a big loud noise. So we're gonna see if it lands up there or anywhere. So we're gonna come over here. He's on the gate? Where? Where's Woody?
Woody over there.
Woody over where?
Over there. By the bush.
Oh,
See Woody?
Woody is over there by the bush.
Okay, I might stop this video here. Hope, take a YouTube video.
I am. Yeah.
I just took a normal video.
Because I don't have a YouTube video. So yeah. I'm going to see if Woody, woodpecker, or any bird that would be super exciting would come on my stick. So,
Okay, Hope, let's play Pokemon. I'm gonna play Pokemon Go.
whoa, okay.
If there's any Pokemon, found in our area with the woodpecker.
So that.
I really wanted to.
Whoa.
What if there was a Pokemon that had a woodpecker?
So that's my stick.
The woodpecker and the Pokemon.
Okay. So we're going to sit right
And
over here.
the woodpecker was on the tree.
So guys, we're gonna set you guys up.
Oh, Hope, can I say something to them?
Yeah.
Leave a like if you like Pokemon Go. Right?
Because we have Pokemon Go.
And we caught a Tedit. We don't know what it's called.
We caught a Teddaw. We caught a Teddaw. So I'm going to draw you guys into the bush. So hold on. Okay guys, I found out that I could not put you in the tree. So this is probably gonna like turn into a nature channel with me watching birds and stuff, watching the dogs poop. No.
Well, guess which Pokemon was my first Pokemon I caught?
Charmander.
Yes.
And then a shroom.
Yep. And then what?
I don't know.
Normal. And then what?
I don't know.
Skylar. Then what?
Skyfer. I don't know.
Here. You can actually change Pikachu's hairstyle.
Oh.
You can actually change Pikachu's hairstyle if you rub 2 fingers on Pikachu's head.
Oh my god.
You can actually do that.
Where is this?
Let me try. Daddy has your switch right now. Look. You just have to rub on Pikachu's forehead.
Hold on guys, we gotta see this. Oh, he is catching something.
I want to see.
I'm making a video.
Oh,
Okay.
there's a Tauros.
Oh, where?
Right here.
Can you
I
grab it?
have one of
Can you
those.
catch it?
I have one of those.
Hey, you can
No, I don't have one of
you
those.
don't have any Pokeballs with
I
you.
have one left. I have one.
Good luck, man.
It's my last Pokeball.
Mom.
Nah, he got out. I can't catch him. I have Tauros though.
Hi, Nobbers.
Can I,
See? Here's all the Pokemon I have.
Oh.
I don't need you videoing whatever. Oh, are you streaming?
No.
Oh. I was like, I don't need that
Do you have a
camera.
Nidoqueen or Nidoking that I can have?
I have a Nidoqueen.
You have a
Do you have a Meow?
I do have a Meowth. I have a Persian too.
Can I have your Meow?
Yeah.
oh, I want a
Do you
mouse.
have a Poliwrath or Poliwhirl?
So if you want to go over some of these Pokemon later, Kylie, and then on your account on here, I'll trade them for you. You can have them on there. Yeah, whatever. You can go through them later, and I'll trade them with you.
Do you have a Gengar?
Daddy, can
I don't have a Gengar.
Okay. So yeah, guys,
Oh, there it is.
this is going to be the end of the
Alright, you guys can get out.
Bye.